Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to use the MINIFS function in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, all we have to do is get a certain data for our function problem. In this case, we're trying to get the minimum cost for laptop, tablet, and minimum cost for gadgets in 2022. Now, we have a set of data over here where we'll find the specific answers for these questions. Since we're looking for the minimum value, all we have to do is use the MINIFS function. To do so, let's type =MINIFS. First, it's asking us the minimum range. It refers to the reference cell or column or set of data or array where we'll get our minimum value from. In this case, since we're looking for cost, let's select the cost column. Next, for the criteria range, we should select the set of data where we'll set a condition for what we need. Since we're looking for minimum cost for laptops, and laptops fall under the products column, let's go ahead and select the products column. And lastly, we should set our criteria. Since we're looking for laptops, all we have to do is type laptop in between double quotation marks. Once we close up our equation and press enter, we should be able to see $399. This is because upon inspecting all the prices for the laptops, right here and right here, we can see that $399 is the lowest value. Let's do the same for the tablet. Let's try to put MINIFS, select the minimum range, which is the cost. Next is the criteria range, which is the product name. And lastly, let's set the condition of tablet by entering tablet between double quotation marks. Once we close out the equation and press enter, we should get $299, which is the lowest value for tablets. Let's say we want to set a different condition. This time, we're looking for the year. It's just basically still the same approach by typing MINIFS, going for the minimum range, and this time, since we're looking for gadgets in 2022, and all of these are gadgets, but in different years, let's select the year column for our criteria range and type in 2022 for our criteria or condition. Close up the equation and press enter. As you can see, for gadgets under 2022, we can see that the phone is the cheapest one, or the one with minimum cost, which falls under $349. And there you have it. This is how you use the MINIFS function in Microsoft Excel.